You are watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Starting lines. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. If you are learning English and sometimes feel confused, worried, or stuck, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people struggle when learning a new language, but today I will share 10 powerful English tips that can truly change your life. Learn every day, even a little. English learning is like watering a plant if you water it daily. It grows strong if you forget it for many days. It becomes weak, that's why you should spend at least 50 to 20 minutes with English every single day, even reading one page, listening to a short audio, or learning 5 new words is enough. Listening before you speak. Listening is the secret key to speaking well. Babies listen to their parents for almost 2 years before they start talking. This same appeals to English. If you want to speak fluently, you must listen carefully. Listen to English songs, rhymes, podcasts. Practice with simple sentences first. Many learners want to speak difficult sentences from the beginning and then feel disappointed. Start small, use easy sentences in your daily life. I am happy, I am eating rice, this is my book, the sun is bright. Speak out loud, don't be silent. Reading silently is good for understanding. But if you want to speak English, you must open your mouth. Speak out loud, read a book loudly, repeat after a video, or practice in front of a mirror. When you hear your own voice in English, your confidence and pronunciation improve quickly. Learn 5 new words daily and use them. Vocabulary is the building block of English. Without words, you can't speak. But don't try to memorize a long list at once. It will make you tired. Instead, learn just 5 new words every day. For example, cheer, fast, write them down, repeat them, and most importantly, use them in your own sentences. Use English at home. Your home is your best practice ground. Speaking with English with your brother, sister, or parents, even if only 1 or 2 sentences, if nobody understands English at home. Speak to yourself. For example, say, I am washing the dishes, I am cleaning the room. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many learners stop speaking because they are afraid of mistakes. But remember, mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teacher. Every mistake shows you what to improve. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes, so don't wait for perfect English. Speak with the English you know today. Practice makes you better step by step. Read aloud every day. Reading aloud is one of the most powerful exercises. Take a small storybook, a newspaper article, or even your English notes and read them aloud for 10 minutes daily. This will improve your pronunciation, help you notice grammar naturally, and make you more confident in public speaking. Start thinking in English. Many learners first think in their mother tongue, then translate into English, and then speak. This makes them slow and nervous. The secret is to start thinking directly in English. Stay consistent and motivated. English learning is not a one-day job, it is a journey. Sometimes you will feel excited and sometimes you may feel lazy. But if you stay consistent, you will see results. Ending lines. These 10 tips can truly change your English learning journey if you follow them regularly. Learn a little every day, listen carefully, speak out loud, use new words, and think in English. Thank you.